Welcome guys to my new video. Today we need to solve problems in C using the loops. So after starting, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let's start our video. Exercise 1. Write a C program to input a number from user and print multiplication table of the given number using the for loop. First of all, like all the C problem, I need to declare a number, for example x, and I need to declare I. It's also a number because I need to use the for loop. Here I start e is equal to 1. After the declaration, I need to tell the user to put a value for x, and next I need to use the for loop. The syntax of for loop is the initialization I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 10. I need a multiplication table to from 1 to 10, and the increment I plus plus. This is the for loop, and I need to print the multiplication table with the formula x times I, and I print the multiplication table of the number that the user will enter it first. Now let's see how to write this code. First of all, I need to define the number, an integer I, and the number x. Second, I need to tell the user to give a value of x, enter a number, to print table. Scanf, why I use here %t? Because I need to print an integer x. Now I need to use the for loop for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Printf, %t time %d, it's mean the first integer x time the second integer I equal to %d, it's the result, and the formula x times I. And finally return 0. Now let's run our code to show the result. Enter a number, for example 3. This is the multiplication table of number 3 from 1 to 10. This is the C code to find a multiplication table of a number. Now the exercise number 2. Write a C program to print all natural numbers in reverse from n to 1 using the for loop. First, I need to define a number n, and I need to define an integer I for the for loop. I need to tell the user to input a value of n, and I need later to use the for loop to print all the natural number. The for loop, the syntax of the for loop here is I equal to n. Why? Because I need to start with the value n that entered by the user, and I will be greater than or equal to 1, and the increment I minus because I need the reverse. Now let's start how to write this code. First, let's define the integers int I and x or n. Let's tell the user to put a value of n, scanf, now let's use the for loop to print the numbers for initialization I equal to n. I is greater than or equal to 1 because I need the numbers from n to 1, and the increment I minus. Sorry, I minus, it's decrement and not increment. And let's print the numbers, printf, and I. And finally return 0. Now guys, let's run our code to show the result. Enter a value of n, for example 10. This is the numbers between 10 to 1. And this is our code to print all the numbers between 10 to 1 using the for loop. Now the exercise number 3, write a C program to ask the user to enter two integers a and b and an operator. Okay, first of all I need to define the integer a and b. Second, I need to define the operator char. It's a char operator. The operator can be for plus, I need to add a plus b, or a minus b, or for example multiplicate a and b, or division and modulo. And I need to tell the user to put the value of a and b, and he need to choose if he need the multiplication, the addition, or division, or the modulo of the two number a and b. Now let's go write the code to show the result. First, I need to define the integer a and b and the operator char, telling the user to enter the values, enter a value for a and b, scanf percentage I and percentage I for a and b. The first percentage I is for a and the second for b. Now I need to tell the user to put the operator printf, enter the operator, scanf percentage C because it's a char, using the switch loop. And I will open the braces, and let's now to put the cases. First case is for plus. Printf the sum is percentage I because it's an integer also, a plus b. And break. It's very important to put the break in the end of the line. Second case is for minus. Printf percentage I and A minus B. Break. Case 3 is for multiplication. Printf the multiplication is percentage I A times B. Break. Case 4 is for division. Printf the division is also percentage I A divided by B, and break. And finally modulo. Printf the modulo is also percentage I and A modulo B. And default printf invalid. And finally the return 0. Return 0. This is the C code to enter a value and to enter two integer and to find their operator. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.